The fifth question here says, a metallic shell has a point charge Q kept inside its cavity. Which one of the following diagrams correctly represents the electric lines of force? This question is purely based on electric field lines, and we'll solve it based on the properties of electric field lines. We'll first look at a figure here which shows the magnified image of this metallic shell, and inside the shell there is a point charge kept which is slightly displaced from the center. This point charge here is not exactly at the center of the cavity, it is slightly displaced from the center of the cavity. Now, one of the properties of electric field lines tells us that electric field lines can never exist inside the body of a conductor. It cannot exist inside the bulk of a conducting metal. Now, in that case, option A and option D will right away be ruled out because you can see that electric field lines, they cut through the conductor, which will never happen. Now, the choice is between C and option B, and since we know that electric field lines will always land on or emerge from the surface of a conductor at right angles only, which is another property of electric field lines, we can say that all the electric field lines emerging from this point charge should land on the inner surface of this cavity at 90 degrees. If that should happen, we can never make that happen by drawing electric field lines in straight lines. You have to draw electric field lines in a curved manner such that at the point of contact, these electric field lines make a 90-degree angle with the inner surface of the cavity. If this is a positive charge here, if this point charge is positive, electric field lines would emerge from it, and that is how we are drawing it for convenience. Now, even at the outer surface, electric field lines would emerge, making a 90-degree angle with the outer surface, and these are all perpendicular. A tangent drawn at the surface where the electric field is emerging would be exactly at 90 degrees with the electric field line. That's how we can understand it in another perspective. So we have option C, which matches exactly with the figure that we have obtained. So the correct option is option C. That is how we solve it.